I'm Siem Haffmans, and currently I'm working for Partners Innovation. And apart from that, I have a company, started a company, RAGBAG, and we're making recycled bags. After my study industrial design, first I worked at a company, Bruinzeel Plastics, for half a year. And then I started at TNO Industry, working on eco-design. And that was just in the period that the word of eco-design was invented, so I was the first one to step in that subject. And it's really captured myself, and I didn't stop with that anymore. So afterwards I had a design office, Kiem and Ideal, for 12 years. And since 6 years now I'm working for Partners for Innovation, a consultancy, with 5 other people. When I started industrial design, I had a sort of a vision to become a famous designer, as almost everyone, I think, starting the study. But during the study I got more and more interested also in social aspects of design. And after graduating in a plastic company, I decided that was not really my goal, and then I made a switch to ecological design, eco-design, and sustainable innovation is where I am now. It's more strategic kind of working on sustainability. Yeah, my passion is trying to save the world with design, which of course is not really a feasible goal, but it's for me it's really nice to help changing the world a little bit in a more sustainable way. And yeah, that's really what motivates me every day. My dreams are to have a certain impact on changing the world in a more sustainable way. So we want to do projects which has an impact, and that could be directly by making a new design or a new system. But more and more I also see that you have an indirect impact by influencing other people, by showing how you can do it in a different way. And for example, with my bags, we make bags out of recycled plastics with RAGBAG, and that's really motivating a lot of people to do things in a different way, and to see that you can also have products with a positive impact. My advice to students nowadays would be to have a broad view, not only look at technical aspects of a design or at the design part of a design, because there are so many good products already. So I think you should focus and aim for products who have some added value for society. I think that's the biggest challenge we are facing. Every student should be working on that. My vision for the future of industrial design engineering is that it will be less and less product focused, but more system focused. So you already see that the industrial designers get in several different functions in society, not only with companies but also in government or in other organizations. And I think designers can have a crucial or an important role in changing the world in a better direction. So, but then they shouldn't be working solo, but they should be team players. They shouldn't be focused on their own getting famous, but they should work in a team, and that's a better way to change things. I think this study of industrial design is a really good tool to work in a way like that, because many people cannot make different futures visible, so I think design students are important to show that it's possible to do things in a different way. Yeah, this is the RAGBAG. I started in 2004. I went to India and I was inspired by people making nice things out of garbage, plastic. And I met a group of people making this nice plastic sheet out of plastic bags, shopping bags they found on the streets with rag pickers. And I started this brand RAGBAG, and now we have developed a lot of other products like wallets. And this is our latest design, a small bag. And already 60 people are working there now in the slums of New Delhi making these bags. So which started as a sort of a hobby, now it's a new company. And we got a new line also in the south of India. It's made of tea, big bags. And I just got an order for 8,000 bags from a big company in gift articles, and it's selling it all through Europe. So I think at the moment there are about 100 people working in India making bags and earning a decent living by this project. So that's really nice to do, and it's I hope we even can get it further.